If you want to change the slow motion speed on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, then once you open the camera, of course we can go to the slow motion mode. There we go. And then in the upper right corner you should be able to find the resolution and the frame rate. And if you change the frame rate, then this is how we can change the speed. The higher the frame rate is, the slower the video will be. So we can increase the slow motion effect by choosing higher frame rate, essentially. And in this case we have two main frame rate options, so we can record using 120 frames per second or 240. Both are pretty great, of course, and they allow you to record pretty much as you want to. There is also 960, which is a pretty well, maybe not even pretty good, but really good frame rate that allows you to record really slowed down videos. However, in this case we have a limited time, because only in this quarter over here, this period in here that is more separated is actually being recorded. So we have a very limited time in this case. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.